Instagram, I haven't been to you in a while, so every so often, once you run out of your dental floss, like I have the dental. See it on me, Mark Morris, told-to-be-the-road.com. Remember, I didn't go to my dentist appointment until I was a sophomore in college. A sophomore in high school. Miss Mills says, go check out your teeth. Then I found out I had a rare gum disease. Thanks, Miss Mills. And also, here's use the power of interest to pay all your student loans. Show you that. Basically, I got to go buy this. So I got to make a quick run to CVS, buy this one, because I have two whatever they call them. There's a weird word, the substitute teeth in the back, so you can't floss through it, so you got to stick it through. So I use this. And also, I always use like the extra care one. So these are the two I use before I go to the dentist. Then when I'm not home, like I told you, Rotodent, water pick, peroxy brush. So pick the one that works for you and just keep those teeth clean. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.